Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another vlog. Today is such a beautiful day. It's super sunny outside, so that always makes me happy. You know, that always makes me happy. Today I just kind of had such a slow morning, and that's fine. You know what I mean? Like sometimes you just need to have a slow morning. So anyway, I was having my lunch and this garlic sauce, oh my god, like honestly, we got this like 3 days ago from the Arabic grocery store, which is called Adonis, and I cannot stop having this with all of my meals. I don't know what it is. It's so addicting, and I like that it's not very strong. So in Arabic this is actually called tomaia, and tomaia is known to be like such a strong garlic paste sauce that you can't have it every day. You can't have too much of it, or else your stomach's gonna start to turn and your breath's gonna really stink just like every single day. But this is very light, so I like that. But I don't think it's vegan or dairy free or anything like that. It has milk, it has egg, yeah, it has canola oil, egg whites, but it's so good. I have a pretty busy schedule today. Also, I got these flowers. I don't know if I vlogged these flowers or not, but I'm pretty sure I posted them on my stories and on my Instagram. So I got these flowers from a Chinese supermarket, and they were like this originally, and I got them like this so that they can bloom and last longer, but they are taking forever to bloom. I don't understand what is the issue. Like, do they need more sun? Do they maybe need to be outside? There's only just like a few of them that are kind of, you know, thriving, but the rest are just, I feel bad. Like, what is the problem over here? I want to take an outfit picture of this outfit right here. So I wore this the other day when we had some friends over, and I really liked how it turned out, so I think I should post it on the gram. So I'm gonna try to take a nice outfit picture with it. I did not iron my shirt, so let's try to figure something out with the pictures so that my shirt does not look wrinkled, because I'm not about to iron it. I have a few reels that I want to edit, and also I have a steam cleaner coming in today from Amazon, which I think it's already downstairs if I'm not mistaken. So here's the thing, I tried to wash the couch yesterday with just like, you know, through our washer, but the thing with our washer is that it's so tiny. So I was luckily able to fit both covers. Let me show you what I'm talking about. I was able to fit this and this both in at the same time, but because the washer is so small, it just didn't wash it properly, and I can still see that they're kind of like dark patches. It doesn't really show in daylight, but I can see it and it bothers me. I was watching the stories of one of the bloggers that I follow on Instagram. She also has a white couch, so she said that she steam cleans her couch every once in a while. We have a lot to do, but I'm just gonna get started. So first thing, I'm gonna take some outfit pics.
Sous le ciel de Paris s'envole une chanson. Elle est née d'aujourd'hui dans le cœur d'un garçon.
Okay, I just finished taking pictures in my outfit, which is great. I think the pictures turned out really nice. I'm gonna insert some of the pictures so that you guys can see what they turned out like. And I changed into something super comfortable. I love wearing just like oversized hoodies and biker shorts at home. This is what I'm wearing. These are the biker shorts I'm wearing. Now I want to get to my laptop tasks, because at 6 Adham.
Hello, got your present.
I was just saying, oh, I need to finish all the stuff that I have to do on my laptop, because at 6 Adham comes home and I have to make food.
I told you I'm gonna surprise you.
What?
No, I was gonna stay till 4, but then I went there. I was so fast, as usual.
Yeah.
And then I told you, no, I don't thank you for today. Like, I think it's fun. They have like a whole team, so I was like,
Really? Okay, so this is what I was talking about. The couch cleaner that I'm going to try. Oh my god, nice. I'm so excited. Little Green Pro Heat. I'm gonna link it down below and I'll let you guys try it with me. So I'll film myself while I'm trying it. Okay, so this attachment, I think this is for the couch or to like remove stains, I'm not sure. Looks so heavy duty, it's so professional. Okay, let me put this together and then I'll show you guys if it works.
Sous le ciel de Paris marchent des amoureux. Leur bonheur se construit sur une aire fait pour eux. Sous le pont de Bercy, un philosophe assis, deux musiciens, quelques badauds, puis les gens par milliers. Sous le ciel de Paris, jusqu'au soir vont chanter l'hymne d'un peuple épris de sa vieille cité, près de Notre-Dame.
Okay, so update, I tried the couch cleaner. I don't know if it does anything. I'm pretty sure it's gonna go back, but let's see if there's any difference in the areas that I cleaned. To be honest, I'm not sure. I feel like maybe in some areas it's like cleaner, but it's just become very patchy. So I don't know. I mean, I feel like it kind of worked here, but then at the same time, I wish I took a before picture. But this is definitely way lighter than it was. That's for sure. So this is the thing. It's not a steam cleaner. I thought it was a steam cleaner. It's not a steam cleaner. It's a carpet cleaner. It's a spot cleaner. Basically what it does is it puts the water and the solution on the couch and then it sucks it up. Not like last time, like the time before.
How are you?
I'm good, how are you? You look so cute with your fresh haircut. Okay, that is it for today. Honestly, maybe this vlog was very boring, but hopefully there was some interesting moments in there. No, make sure to watch it, but hopefully it's interesting. Okay, bye.
L'accordéon d'un marinier, l'espoir fleurit au ciel de Paris.